guys, this is Chris Kevin with American Elite Roofing. We're Mr. Dansby's contractor. His claim number is 11-93 G as in golf 3-00G. It is 1/14/2026. It's currently 58 degrees outside. We are on a 15 to 20-ish year old 25-year 3-tab. Alan, just to kind of pan across here, just the overall condition of this roof. We've got obvious wind damage all over it. If you come in here, we've got a lot of granule loss. You can actually hear the granules kind of sliding out from underneath us. This is the shingle that we'll be doing another repair on today. We've got some obvious wind damage here. The shingles surrounding it don't have any creasing, don't have any damage to them at the moment. We've also set up a controlled area away from our shingle repair. We're not going to touch this area. It's just to compare post-repair to the touched area. We will be utilizing a snake tool today. That's just to kind of help mitigate any kind of shingle manipulation. We're going to remove all the fasteners 2 runs up. We're going to remove the shingle, put a brand new 3-tab shingle in. Then we're going to install fasteners 90 degrees towards the decking per the manufacturer's guidelines. First thing we're going to do is break the shingles and pop it loose. Right there's the end. 1, 2, 3. We'll remove these fasteners. Shingles are in such bad shape. Lifting this one out, if you want to come over here. Lifting up to get this fastener out has already caused the shingle to pull off of the nail. We'll keep going, but just to kind of damaged shingle's been removed. Come down here real quick. We'll mark them afterwards. Come down here so we're already seeing linear fractures here and here. Starting to see one here as well. We're gonna keep going. New shingles in. Cascading down. So it's a little easier to see. So just from removing and replacing the shingle, you can obviously see we got a linear fracture here. We got linear fractures here. A large linear fracture that goes across this entire shingle. A great big fracture here. Just to test it, this is just a soft bristle brush. It'll do nothing more than what the next good wind or rain would do, but we just got granules cascading off of this. I don't even necessarily think we need the control area here. As far as repairability goes on this, guys, we would obviously consider this a fail. We damaged at least 3 shingles repairing this individual shingle. We just respectfully request that we convert this from a repair estimate to a